kids, welcome back. Sorry for the delay. It's been a busy few days, but my ice on the lake is totally melted, so hopefully tomorrow I can get a run in. It's supposed to be like 50 degrees. Hopefully we can do that. So this is actually a quickie super tip video. And super tip meaning this is awesome. A special shout out to my brother MC Creations. I have talked to this guy since YouTube. My God, since the quadcopter days. And he had left me a message on the last build video of this. And he said, "Hey, JJ, try these silicone cups. I saw them on a woodworking video." I was like, okay. So you guys have noticed over the years, or time, I use these little graduated cups. Okay? A little graticule, measuring graticule on there, graduation. And I buy them in these, I don't know, it comes with like 4 or 5 of these things. And I pitch them like they're nothing, right? And I use them all the time. So I took my buddy's advice. He didn't give me a link or anything. I just looked it up on Amazon. And I will put a link in the description of the ones I've got. It comes with 12, I think. Bunches of them. And these things are the cat's ass. $10. These, for like 4 of these things, is like $15, $16. These, you can see I've already popped one out. I have to confess, I made this video 2 days ago, and I screwed the pooch, and I accidentally deleted it, so I'm doing it again. And I had it all set up nice. I put epoxy in here and popped it out and everything so you guys could see. I'm not going that route today. So, here's the epoxy, though, if you don't believe me, that popped right out. Okay, so basically what you do, I don't know, maybe you can get these in smaller or larger. I don't know why you'd need larger. But fiberglass, epoxy, wood putty, that's what this stuff is. This is that, where is it? Oh, it doesn't matter, that wood putty I use. The body bondo that I use. Fiberglass, epoxy, like I said. When you just mix it up, do your thing, throw it to the side, grab another one. 15 minutes or whenever your stuff is cured, just go like that, pops right out. And you can throw them in your ultrasonic cleaner, or you can just rinse them out, or maybe not even rinse them out. If it's just epoxy, it's probably fine. The wood putty does leave a little bit of dust in there, but that's what the epoxy looked like in the other video. It was kind of like on the side like that, and I popped it out. Oh my gosh. I wish I would. This is one of those things, kind of like Velcro. Like, I wish the fuck I would have thought of this 8 years ago. These things are the cat's ass, man. Thank you, MC Creations, for pointing this out to me. And like I said, if any of you find smaller ones, I haven't looked. I would love to find some tiny ones like this, because it is a little strange mixing small amounts of epoxy in here. But, it's not bad. This is just the cat's ass. I love it. This is all I'm using from now on. I'm not using these stupid little cups anymore, because it's just, if you're a tree hugger and you want to save the frickin' planet and all that crap, this is the way to go. A lot less waste, but for me, it's about cost and ordering. It's like, oh, I got to order cups. I got to order popsicle sticks. I got to order epoxy. I got to, I have like this monthly list I do. Dude, MC, thank you, brother. I will be using these in the next video of this build, which might be tonight, and forever after. So appreciate it. Keep dry side up, kids. Bye.